Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download specific elements or images on your Canva design or screen. Alright, so just to get right to it immediately. Okay, so right now when you actually get to the screen on this section and you want to download only, let's say maybe only this design or this design alone, right? There are actually two ways you can be able to do this. All right, so I'm going to show you the very first method, and I'm going to show you the second method, which is actually the easier method, so to speak. Yeah. All right, so let's get to it. So the very first thing that you should do here is highlight on all of the elements you want to download. Okay, when you right click on this, okay, and you can select the download selection option right there at the bottom. All right, I don't know why, but you cannot, as of at this moment of making this video, you cannot download a single element, right? You cannot download a single image, so to speak. Yeah, let me see if I can do this. Okay, no, you cannot download a single element, you cannot download single text or thereabout. Okay, or you can download a couple of elements, you can group them all together and then you can download them as a selection. Okay, so after highlighting on the elements that you want to download, right, you can go to download selection. All right, and right there on the screen, it's on PNG one. The size is actually set to 1. All right, these are all pro features, so I don't really have access to those at this moment, so I'm going to click on download. All right, and it's going to do its thing right there. All right, so that is done. Select, that is downloaded. Okay, yes, so if I should hover on this right now, if I should click on this and see the preview to this at this moment, you realize that this actually downloaded the image and the elements and the text, all right, but it did not download the background. All right, so here's a very quick fix to that. Okay, so what you can actually do right now is go to your elements page and then you come right here to the section, all right, and add a rectangle. All right, you can make the rectangle exactly the same color as the background. All right, and then you can use the rectangle as a background. Okay, so you send the rectangle that you've created to the back. All right, so this is just right there at the back of all the elements that you've added. So after doing this, you can highlight once again all through, and once you have all of the elements selected, if after highlighting you did not select the background, you can see when I hover on this, you can actually see that the background is highlighted. Okay, so you can hold shift and left click. All right, that is going to include the rectangle that you created in the selection. So right now you can click on you can right click, go down to download selection, all right, what we did previously, and click on download. All right, it's loading right there. All right, I'm going to set it to replace this image. I no longer need that. All right, and then yes, we have that. All right, but now we have an issue, right? And we have another issue. The other issue that we have at this moment is that this image was cropped previously. All right, this image was cropped previously, and currently right now the image is actually extended all through. Okay, and we are going to fix that right away. Okay, so what we will do is we'll come down to this element. This element is actually what's extending and making the image extend even further. All right, so what we'll do is we come down to this element. All right, since that is the only element that is extended out of the screen. All right, we'll come down to this element. We go to the clip tool right there at the top. Yeah, sorry, that was too fast. You go to the crop tool at the top. All right, and then you crop this to the exact size of the frame. All right, so yes, we have that cropped as the okay. So after that, you select all the elements that you want to download, all right, including your rectangle, to confirm that I selected that. Yes, I'm holding shift and I'm left clicking on that, and I am going to right click and go down to download selection, click on it, right, and here's a preview of it, and I'm simply going to click on download. All right, so I'm going to save this as a new image. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna have to refresh this very quickly. Show terminal, refresh. Okay, show terminal, refresh, and voila, right there. Okay, we have our image downloaded as a whole. All right, so I'm going to show you the second method, which in my opinion is actually the easiest method, so to speak, of downloading one page from your entire Canva slides, right, or your Canva designs. What all you need to do is select the page that you want to download. You come to the right top corner where you have share, all right, and then you navigate straight down to download. All right, so let me call your attention to this now. If you click on see all, you're going to see download selection. Don't select this option on this stage. This will not give you the result you want. All right, let's click on this and see what happens. Well, if you click on this, you're going to need to select only the elements. All right, that is actually what the illustration of what this is showing right now. You have to select only the elements, all right, 2 or more elements to your design, right click, and that is what it's saying, and that's the earlier method that we have mentioned. For this method, all you need to do is click on download. All right, you come down to select the file type, all right, in this case PNG, and then you come down to select page or pages. For this case, I'm going to need just one page, all right, which is the page 2. Right there you can actually see a small preview of the page you want to download, all right, and then you click on done. When you're done with that, I am unable to access all of these options because yeah, I'm not a pro user yet. I look forward to subscribing someday. Yes, I am really looking forward to that. Yeah, okay. So yes, you can see I'm not a pro user. Anyways, the next thing you need to do is click on download. Okay, I'm going to save this as main. All right, save this as main. Yes, and when I click on this, yes, and when I come down to my folder where I have these saved, you can actually see this right there on the screen. Okay, you can see the main screen that I have saved right there on the screen. Yes, so guys, that is actually the 2 ways you can be able to download specific screen or download one screen from your entire Canva design slide. I hope this helps. So once again, please do have a wonderful day and cheers.